I understand in the good book, they say in the beginning, it was Adam and Eve. And they had two sons, Cain and Abel. Eventually, those two sons left their mother and father and went abroad to a different land. And they came back with their wives. If the good book said there was only two human, Adam and Eve, who was the wives they found when they went abroad? Now, let's say this. Supposedly, they made a mistake that Adam and Eve had daughters before Cain and Abel, in between Cain and Abel, after Cain and Abel, and they had to have children with their own siblings. What do you think about that? What do you really think about that? Because the book never said away from Adam and Eve there was some more human beings. The good book never spoke of other children than Cain and Abel. Just supposedly they had more children, like I say. That the good book, or the authors of the good book, or the writers, maybe the translators, did something wrong. That's something to think about. Anyway, that's just something I'm putting up there, because I was going over a little something about Adam and Eve. That is crazy. You know, a lot of people say, let's hypothetically think that this is what they're trying to say. We can't go on hypothetically on what they're trying to say, because this is the good book. Anyway, oh man, let me get back here, do what I do to make my bread and butter. But feel free to comment, subscribe. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Mr. Gleek, peace out.